Good morning. We are going to do Origo math today. It's 411, page 150 and 151. I think that's the right, that's the right pages. Okay, if you look at the top of page 150, how could you measure things like a sports track or a building? And if you look at the chart, the green end zone chart, you'll see that it's in increments of 10. And it goes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, back down to 40, 30, 20, 10. Okay, we're going to use a yardstick, and I don't have one here, but a yardstick is the same as 3 rulers. How long is 1 yard? Well, it's 36 inches. How many feet equal 1 yard? Well, if it's the same as 3 rulers, that would be 3 feet. And how can you figure out the number of inches? Well, 12 plus 12 plus 12 is 3 tenths, and 6 ones would be 36 inches. And some things that are about 1 yard long or 1 yard wide or 1 yard thick. A baseball bat is about 36 inches. It's nearly 1 yard long. A door, like our classroom door, is about 36 inches wide. And a big tree could be about 1 yard thick. See if there's anything at your house that's about 36 inches or a yard. See if you can find something that could be. And if you look up at step up 1, it says your teacher will show you some lengths of string and write down your estimate for each string. Then the teacher will help you measure the length. Well, we're not together, so I can't give you that. But if instead of that, what I'd like you to do is go around your house, and I would like you to look at something. It could be like a table or a chair, and I want you to estimate how many yards you think that is. And then I want you to actually measure it, like with something that's 12 inches long, if you can find a ruler. A lot of books are about 12 inches long. So if you would just go around and on A, where it says my estimate, I'd like you to go A through D and look at something in your house, like maybe the table to the floor. How long is that? How many yards? Or like the doorknob to the floor, or the width of your table, or your refrigerator, or your washer, something like that. And then estimate what you think. And then if you'll actually take a book, this is probably about 12 inches, and then measure it. And that would be your actual length. So if you will just do that, I know it's a little different than what we do in the classroom, but I know that you'll be able to figure that out. On page 151, it says write one object that you think could match each length, 2 yards. So 2 yards, a yard is 3 feet. So 2 yards would be 6 feet. I bet my table is about 2 yards. Maybe my refrigerator. 5 yards. What do you think 5 yards is? That'd be a lot bigger. So that would probably be maybe a car. 10 yards, maybe a truck. 50 yards would be like a football field. See if you can think of things too. How many yards do you think our classroom is? Remember, a yard is 3 feet. The classroom is about how many yards wide? How many yards long do you think our library is? And how wide do you think our library is? I know these will be just estimates, but it'll be fun to see when you get back how close they are. I'd like you to complete the table and then write how you found the missing numbers. The table shows yards and feet, and it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Feet, 1 yard is 3 feet, 2 yards, 6 feet, 3 yards, 9 feet. Will you fill in what 4 yards is, what 5 yards is, and 10 yards? Each yard is 3 feet, so for each extra yard, you need to add 3 feet. Okay, and you did miss Friday's lesson was 410, so if you want to go back and do that, that was pretty simple. It was fun as well. But this is our lesson for Monday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.